Hi, really quick guide to using the Canon Megatank Printer Potty kit. We've been sending out G4 kits in place of G2s, purely and simply because we noticed that we'd made a slight mistake in our assumptions about Canon Megatank designs for the 1000 through to the 4000 series. Okay, now early versions of the Megatanks, so a G3501 for example, those had a single waste tube, whereas later models has a dual tube. So what we've been doing, sending out the double tube kit in place of the single tube, so that if you have a double tube and we hadn't quite caught it, you had everything to go. Now, if you have a single tube printer, all you've got to do is remove the extension on the end. Now you've got the choice. You can leave this particular part on and use the elbow, or you can swap it by taking the elbow off like that and then removing one of these bulb connectors here to plug in like so. So you end up with the same part as you would on a G2 kit, which is this one here. Obviously we recommend you hang on to these spare parts, put them into a bag somewhere, tape it onto the printer, just in case you should ever upgrade your printer to something that requires these parts. There's no point in throwing them away. Okay, so hope that covers it. Sorry we didn't make that clearer sooner, but like I said, we decided to do this just so that we made sure everybody had the parts they needed. If you've got any questions, please let us know in the comments or send us an email via our support address, see description below. So if you're not sure what that's about, we have a number of videos, including this one for single waste tube Canon Megatanks, and this one for dual waste tube Megatanks.